So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals within unit laundry here on Zumper. So once Zumper is opened up, I want you to go ahead and select the location. In this case, I will use New York City for this demonstration. So once the location is selected, I want you to go to this top filters bar to where it says more, and then go to where it says popular filters and make sure that in unit laundry is selected. So just go ahead and press on that, then go to the bottom and press on view results. Now in New York City, for example, specifically, we'll just go ahead here and actually zoom this in, or I can redo the search in this area, whatever the case may be. There you go. Now all the listings that you're going to be seeing do offer in-unit laundry. So once again, filters, in-unit laundry, make sure it's selected, and then view the results accordingly. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find rentals with in-unit laundry on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.